Eugenio Maria de Hostos Community College hosted the 10th Biennial BomPlenazo 4-day celebration of Afro-Puerto Rican music, dance, culture, and art.
These have this strap right here. Some people can wear it, and the guys love it too because of their tools.
I've been promoting Puerto Rican arts, Puerto Rican symbols and icons by putting them on T-shirts.
Majority of my work basically reflects various aspects of Puerto Rican culture and heritage.
Olga Ayala is another of many here bringing Puerto Rican and African culture to the festival.
These waterfall necklaces are not really a typical Puerto Rican type of piece, but it's a homage to our African roots. So I incorporate a lot of that. Also, we have our dancers. Like right now, this T-shirt is very popular.
1, 2, 3, y.
Not only was art on display, this bomba percussion workshop provided guests with lessons on how to drum using the art form developed by slaves from Africa beginning as far back as the late 1600s.
If we don't continue to preserve the culture of bomba, it'll die.
Among those grateful for the celebration, Ayana Macado and her daughter Yehida, who both traveled in from Minneapolis.
Back in the Twin Cities, we have communities, a small community of Boricuas, in Minnesota, but we're strong, we're mighty, we're tight.
I learned a lot back in there.
Along with the workshop was this opening concert featuring El Máquina Insular, led by Grammy-nominated performing artist Hector Tito Matos, and Asuba, formed in 2010 to bring a female voice to bomba.
And the women can drum too. That's Asuba, whose members are from Puerto Rico, making their BomPlenazo debut right here at Hostos Community College. For Bronxnet, this is Arlene Makoko.